Hey guys, I'm Jacob Homanix. I'm a contributor at ATX DAO, and we are currently tackling reputation tokens. And in the process, we are making it in a way where it not only fits our organization, but fits any other organization or entity or company or individuals. And we're doing that using Scaffold ETH too. So what you're seeing here is our website. Go ahead and pause the screen if you're watching this in recording and read over the page. It'll give you a much deeper overview into what I will be doing today. The skinny of it is ATX DAO. How we're implementing the system is you have redeemable tokens, which these are tradable under certain circumstances. And then you have lifetime tokens, which represent your longstanding reputation with the DAO. So again, we are doing this in a way where anyone can implement this reputation system. They can fork it, quickly build, deploy onto any network, and easily interact with it using Scaffold ETH. So let's check out what that looks like today. So right now, I have a simple reputation system deployed onto, I believe, Gurley. We'll see here in just a second, with one token currently. So let's see how we can individually render that token onto a website. So right here, we can see it split out into its individual components. We got the balance of tokens, we got the image, we got the name, we got the description. And so something I skimmed over, these are 1155 tokens. So this is grabbing data from IPFS and then also some other on-chain data as well. And then you can also render the contract address. You can see if the token is tradable, and this is something to do with how to explain this. In case like a malicious actor comes in, they can't just mint a large amount to themselves or to everybody and just completely disrupt the system. So this is kind of a safeguard to allow a max mint amount per transaction. So if we want to take this a step further, make it look a bit nicer, we got the single card component, which combines all of these, and you can add or remove these from the single card based on your needs, based on what data you want to show. There will be an example of that a little bit further below. And then I'll stop there actually and switch over to debug contracts. So what we're going to do right now is quickly, hopefully, mint a new or create a new token, an entirely new token. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go down to my README. Do a little cheat code. There we go. Switch early. So you pass in the proper parameters. You can set the max mint amount and the is tradable amount, or in the is tradable value. And then let's just go ahead and jump the gun and go here, grab this IPFS link. And we're also going to set the token URI for this token as well. So as you can see, you can create these tokens with pretty much arbitrary value. You can make them completely tradable. If you want your token to be DeFi based, or you can make it non-tradable if you just want it to be a strictly soulbound token. And then, of course, the NFT metadata, you can have as little or as many tokens as you would need. And then another thing I want to touch on, right, is this isn't strictly DAO related. This could be on an individual to individual basis. And it's not showing up. Right, because that's the individual component. So let's go down to multi-card. Wonderful. So I don't know if I displayed it earlier, but this token on the right side did not exist prior to creating it, of course. We can see my parameters, OX16, which turned into 22, and this token is tradable. Great. So you can see these front-end multi-cards automatically account for the new tokens. So it makes it easy to work with on the front end. And then again, it's very customizable. So let's say you want to just have the numbers in front of the images. Great. Or a small little widget, right? You can see the optional parameters like the name or description have also been removed based on how you want your front end to look. And then as long as I'm good on time here, I'm just going to run really quick over this rep demos page and just kind of explain what's happening here to make all that work. So right here, to get all the token data, you just call this use rep tokens hook, passing in the address for the token holder that you want to observe. And then you can either render out each individual component, or you can render out a single card or a multi-card, or again, there's a big emphasis on a config file here where you, the developer, can come in and really define how these cards look, what you want to have displayed, all that fun jazz.